Welcome back to Magical Mayhem. Today we're going to learn how to make a quick flower for your line work right after this. So you're going to need two balloons. I use the chromes. This is the green and this is the pink. We'll start with the green. The green is fully inflated except for a little nozzle right here. Stretch it out a little bit. We're gonna make a pinch twist at the top. Just like that. I don't tie it off, I just twist it. If it comes undone, it's easy to redo. And about hand's width or a little bit more, I'm gonna make two same size bubbles. One that size and a second one that same size, and like that. So we're gonna end up with this. Now if you just leave it like that, it's going to come undone as a kid's walking around playing with it. So what I do is I take the end and I run it through, and that locks it in. I run it into the first one, then I run it again through the second one. So now if the kid has it and is playing with it and beating it up, it's not going to come undone here because it's locked in place. It will not come undone. Alright, so we're done with that one. My pink one, I also fully inflate and I leave enough just to be able to tie off the nozzle because I tie the two ends together, one big giant loop. Just like that. Now I split it in half, find the middle, and I twist it off here. So now I've got this. Now, I used to be very accurate here, try to find the middle. I'm not. I just, anywhere that I think it looks like the middle is where I split it off, and I just twist it once. So now we're gonna take this piece and this piece and squish them together and twist where you got this. Now on the green 260, that nozzle, that first pinch twist we did, we're going to just wrap it in here. Just wrap it once. It's easier than it looks, making it look too tough here. And you want the nozzle to end up on top and the pink to look something like that. Whoop, that's not right. Just straighten it out for you. Something like that. It's quick and easy. Let me fix the camera here so that way you guys can see better. Okay, so it's quick and easy. It's not the most beautiful one, but it gets the point that it's a flower. Girls love it. And easy to make. You can knock these out easily. So what makes this really special, and I did this the other day for an event, it was a school event, and I used the chromes. Very few people have seen the chromes. I keep getting these comments, I've never seen these balloons, where do you get these balloons from? They're still new, they're still exciting, and when people see them, they love them. I think you can do just about, I can just probably inflate the balloons, give them away, and kids, moms, parents, everybody would be happy with that because they're so amazed that there's such a thing as these type of balloons, chromes. The bottom of the stem, I just kind of give it a little pinch just to give it a little bit more body. That's it, a quick flower for your line work. So hopefully you guys like that, use it for your line work. If you do, please give me that thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing. I appreciate all the support. We'll get you more videos here soon to come up. And remember to keep it amazing.